So, Lyon, if you love food, and I mean really love food, this is the city for you. It's the gastronomic capital of France. But there's a lot more here than just incredible meals. So let me show you how to do it right. Let's start with timing. The sweet spots are late May or September. That's your best balance of nice weather, lively local markets, and fewer tourists. Summer's fun but warm, and here's a little catch. Some of the independent restaurants close for holidays in July and August. Tea. And then there's December. December in Lyon is magical, but it's absolutely mobbed for the Festival of Lights. More on that in a minute. Getting around? Easy. The public transport here, they call it the TCL network, is excellent. Metro, trams, buses, even funiculars up the hills. One important thing, though, you have to validate your ticket before you ride. Don't skip that. A single 1-hour ticket is about €1.90, and day passes run roughly 6 to 15 euros depending on the type. If you're sightseeing hard, look at the Lyon City Card. It bundles unlimited transport plus entry to attractions, and you can get it for 1, 2, 3, or 4 days. All right, what to see? Start in Vieux Lyon, the old town. And this is where Lyon gets really special, the traboules. These are hidden passageways that the silk workers used back in the 19th century, tucked right through the buildings. Half the fun is just discovering them. Then climb up to the Fourvière Basilica on the hill for the views. There's Parc de la Tête d'Or, the largest urban park in all of France, and the striking Musée des Confluences, which is free if you're a student under 26, otherwise just 5 to 10 euros. Don't skip the Croix-Rousse district either. And here's a real hidden gem, Ile Barbe. It's a little island in the river with monastery ruins, and it barely shows up in any guidebook. If you want to feel like you found something, go there. Now, the food. This is why you came. Lyon is France's gastronomic capital, and the heart of it is the bouchon, a traditional Lyonnais restaurant that serves a set menu. If you're keeping it cheap, market stalls or the plat du jour will run you 10 to 15 euros. But for the real experience, a proper sit-down bouchon with wine, expect about 25 to 40 euros. One tip. The certified bouchons book up, so reserve ahead. So what's a day in Lyon cost overall? If you're budgeting, you can do it all in for around 60 to 80 euros a day. Genuinely more affordable than Paris. And for the best value place to base yourself, look at the La Croix-Rousse neighborhood. Let's come back to those festivals. The big one is the Fête des Lumières, the Festival of Lights, 4 evenings in early December. And I mean it when I say the city triples in population for those 4 nights. It's stunning, but if you want to go, book your accommodation months ahead. In summer, there's also Nuit de Fourvière, the performing arts festival up at the Roman amphitheater. Before you go, souvenirs. Pick up some local wine from the nearby Beaujolais region, some silk goods, a nod to Lyon's historic trade, and pralines rouges, those bright pink pralines they use in all the local desserts. Sweet, distinctive, very Lyon. And finally, beating the crowds. Explore Vieux Lyon and the traboules during the day when they're open and easy to wander. For December's festival again, book way in advance. And if you want those gorgeous hilltop photos without the crush, head to the quieter Jardin des Chartreux. That's Lyon. Come hungry, wander the old passageways, and let the food capital of France win you over. Bon appétit!